how to change your Lincoln and Ford key fob case. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I have a small flathead screwdriver and a plastic pry tool. The first step is to take the old case and just flip it with your small flathead screwdriver. Push directly down on the release tab, and at the same time just pry it open with your thumbnail, and then it opens up like that. Then you can remove the key. Now we just need to take out the inside, so I'm going to use my pry tool and carefully pop it out and remove it. And now we can just take out the circuit board. So we're going to repeat the process on the new case. Push down on the release and pry it open. This one has a blank key, which I'm going to remove. And once again, we'll use our plastic pry tool to take out the inside. Pops out just like that. And now we can transfer over the inside of the old one into the new one. So we're going to take out the clear rubber. Make sure that the circuit board is completely in it. And we can press that into the new case. When installing the center section with the battery, there's a small tab here on the bottom, and the tab needs to hook into the case first, and then just push it down to snap it in. Once that's snapped in, we can take our original key, put it into place. There's a lip right here, and the lip needs to lock in first near the loop, and then simply just snap down, and that's it. So let's see if this works.
And this job is done.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.